DGAs have become a powerful tool for attackers, used to evade detection and exfiltrate data. This demo shows how EfficientIP's patented AI-driven technology detects them in real time.
EfficientIP's DNS Intelligence Center reveals threats through insightful DNS analytics. Let's dive into uncovering domain generation algorithm activity. We start by choosing a time frame that captures the suspicious behavior. The Correlate DGA was uncovered by EfficientIP's patented AI-based detection engine. EfficientIP ranks it as the highest threat level. The domain was queried, proof of attempted communication. A single clear indicator of compromise is linked to the new DGA, detected exclusively by EfficientIP's AI-powered algorithms. Frequent IP shifts are typical of evasive DGA infrastructure. Multiple domains resolving to this IP suggest shared malicious infrastructure. Here's another domain tied to the same attacker infrastructure. Let's investigate this domain further for patterns and anomalies. This domain was repeatedly queried, suggesting persistence. Like earlier, this domain shows signs of active evasion tactics. This is the same IP we have seen before, confirming attacker reuse. Now we isolate only the domains generated by the Correlate DGA. Sorting lets us better visualize the structure and behavior. A recognizable naming pattern reveals the DGA's automation logic. The prefix shows consistent generation from a defined rule. Each name includes an incremented number, another pattern signal. Randomized hex-style characters make the domains harder to classify. The domains all use the same top-level domain to blend in. Let's look at one last example before zooming out. This one was detected by multiple sources. It shares the same high-risk indicators as others in the group. However, in this case, multiple indicators of compromise confirm the malicious activity. This IP is the same one previously linked to yparanoid.agency and mv34a1235.site, a clear sign of persistent attacker infrastructure. This brief demo showed how EfficientIP leverages patented AI-driven tuple clustering to expose attacker infrastructure and stop threats before they activate within DNS traffic.